this game. You'd think Bengi would be a little bit nervous about repelling under turrets. Wolf coming in. Double six. They get the flash from Nagne. Faker comes in. He's got the ult. He's got the kill. Beautiful, beautiful
Faker
game from SKT.
Dodged that petrifying gaze so beautifully, I almost couldn't see it.
Flashed it expertly.
Let's watch this one again. Let's see how Faker does.
Wait for the animation. Comes now. Flashes it.
Wow. Beautiful.
This is Riven mechanics.
Thinks Faker does.
Not lose Riven mechanics in what, 2 years?